Crude oil WTI and natural gas both have taken a sharp dip yesterday as expected and predicted in our update that as long as oil trades below 74.5 we can see a bearish move, and as long as net gas trades below 2.82 we can say a major drop can be seen. However, can we say that both oil and gas are going to crash further, or there is a possibility of a reversal today? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators and do a multi-time frame analysis in order to arrive to a point where we can find out a particular price point where we can enter and take profit, whether be it on the buy side or sell side. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis so that you can take a logical call. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Let's start first. Oil followed with gas wash. Oil on the hourly charts, you can see a sharper candle, single candle has appeared, which has taken the price from 74 to 71.5. Now, see, this is the last drop where we have seen prices coming towards 71.5, 71.6. Now, this time we have seen it moving towards $70 levels. And if you look at the candles now, what has happened? It has stabilized here. It is getting a stronger resistance at 71 and see lower highs here. Thus, once you see now today oil trading above 71.6, then we can initiate an entry, and then you can expect that we can look forward to 72, 72.44 and 73. Now 73 is going to remain one critical resistance for the day. 72.8, 73 levels are going to remain the prime resistance, and 74 the ultimate one, beyond which you can say that it is reversed and it is going to rally else. Right now there is slight bearish stance. See, the moving averages have crossed over, definitely a bearish indication. The stochastic is oversold, trying to recover here, while the MACD is trading extremely bearish. It has hit the lows. Let's see if it tries to recover now. See, if you look at it, has breached past the lows which we had seen recently, and it has come towards extremely lower levels. So chances of recovery exist is strong. RSI is also oversold, coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour chart, the crossover here is definitely a bearish sign. The consolidation here is also something which is important, because see, it is getting a very good support at 71. Thus, it could start off with the retracement as it is trying to trade in this channel here. The highs could be at around 72.8, 73. However, I will say that the movement on the upside is also very, very sluggish. It has to break past the critical resistances, and then you can say the momentum will accelerate, and then you can look forward to a rise. Thus, stochastic is also oversold, while the MACD is trading with extreme bearishness and the RSI is oversold here. On the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. Look at the last two candles. Diminishing bearishness, flat bottom, a smaller body size suggests that the current one, and this could be the reversal confirmation. The next candle could take it further high. So if you see it is staying above 71.6, initiate a buying position. And now, by now, you must have realized that a selling entry is only below 71, where we can expect it to, in fact, move lower. Let's see further. The stochastic definitely is oversold, and the MACD and the RSI is also trading bearish and are at bottom here. Now coming to 4 hour charts, likewise, see diminishing bearishness, flat bottom. I think it is getting a very strong support here. Now even if it trades below 70.8 and 71 zone, there is a possibility that it can keep moving towards $70 levels. I will tell you why I do not treat oil as bearish as long as $70 levels are not. Now also, if you look at the 4 hour charts, I've mentioned here, see the drop retracement, and this drop has appeared. And also, if you connect the dots, you will find this is trading in this bearish channel. Where are the lows of this? Till towards 68. And what is 68? You can see this, it is the consolidation zone from where this rise is seen. So in fact, $70 levels, or in fact 68, the lower you get oil, the easier for you to take a buying position here. The stochastic here is also oversold. The MACD bearish, the RSI is at bottom. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It is very important to have a broker which is safe, trustworthy, with global presence, with ease of transactions and withdrawals. And thus join it today and enjoy trading. Now coming to the daily charts, what did I share yesterday is rise, retracement. Look at the formation, rise, retracement. Now connect the dots here, you will find this is how oil has been trading. Now $70 levels are going to remain one prime support levels, and once it drops below 70, chances for 68 will increase, and only if you see oil trading below 68, consider that the down move has begun and we are looking forward to a drop. Else, I see that it is still respecting this channel, so possibility of a bounce back can be seen here. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish cross. So you have to be careful here. If it crosses over, we can see slight bearish move for the next few sessions. RSI has dropped as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy oil. If you see it is staying above 71.6 levels, expect 72, 72.4, then 72.8, 73, the most critical one for the day. Any move beyond 72.8, 73 is a good sign for the bulls here, where the prices can keep moving towards 73.6 and 74 levels at the next targets. Beyond 74, the sky is the limit. You can look forward to a complete reversal towards 76. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 71, 70.8 levels. Very, very good support here. Below this, you can expect 70.2 and 70, or 70.3 and $70 levels as the next target levels. Below 70 is where more bearishness should prevail. 69.55 and 69.1 are the next target, below which the direct lending is towards 68. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to natural. Now see, for natural gas yesterday, what did we discuss? I have told you, even if you see gas at 2.65. Now why did we discuss 2.65? We had expected that there is a possible breakout. That is why I have mentioned that even if you see net gas at 2.65, do not treat this as bearish. What has happened? We have now seen gas coming at 2.74. Now see, also notice, we talked about one more point, that there is a slight gap at 2.7 to 2.7 which might get filled. Where is the gap? Here is the gap. Just for your understanding, 2.7 to 2.7 zone. Possibility is there that it can try to fill it. But let's start from the hourly charts. Now look at the hourly charts here. What has happened? The drop, retracement towards 20 period. The drop, it could retrace towards 20 period. Now a retracement towards 20 period means a move towards 2.78. Now 2.78 and 2.82 rather, this complete zone is going to remain the prime resistance for the day, and then 2.85, 86. Three levels here are going to play a major role. Any move beyond 2.85, 86 is a sign of reversal. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD has hit the lows here. Crossover here can be seen, which can lead to reversal. RSI is extremely oversold. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts here. Lower highs are seen, flat bottom is seen. Wait for it to break out. 2.76, 2.78, 2.8, 2.84. Very, very good resistance here. And if you look at the movement here in gas, you will find, see, this is how it has been trading. Every drop follows with a little retracement. It can keep moving towards the 20 period, which means 2.8 is possible here. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. So yes, it is also staying at extreme oversold levels. The bearishness has diminished. Look at the candle sizes, and it increases the chance of a move towards 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2.8485 levels. Now what will happen? See, it, even if it has to rise, it will wait for the moving average to come down. Means it is going to take few more candles for it to keep moving towards 2.8. Now if you see that the up move is sluggish, it suggests that it is just waiting for the indicators to cool down a bit. It is which are staying oversold and waiting for the moving average to come down, hit the moving average, then again trade bearish. This one possibility we should always keep a note of. Yes, indicators are extremely oversold and hence calls for a recovery here, be it RSI, MACD or stochastic, anything, everything is extremely oversold. Also, net gas 4 hour charts, moving averages are trading with divergence and staying bearish. And look at the formation here. This calls for a little retracement. However, the reversal confirmation in net gas is only if it trades about 2.9, 2.96. Yes, indicators are at extremely oversold zone. And when you see the daily charts here, on the daily charts, the only thing which I am looking forward to is this gap filling thing. Possibility is there that it can just fill the gap and bounce back. And thus, if you see now gas trading below 2.735, when you see the higher price below 2.735, you can initiate a selling entry. Expect 2.7 to 2.7 levels. Now 2.7 to 2.7 are going to remain one prime support zone below which we can expect 2.6667 levels to take over. And if it trades below this zone, you can say more bearishness may prevail. And remember, again, I am highlighting this fact. Even if you see net gas at 2.5, you can buy here and hold for long again. And I am highlighting this fact so that you can take your positional call accordingly. Another thing to note here in net gas is the double top it has formed and now trying to move downwards. Thus it can, in fact, if it breaks below 2.5, 2.4 is where you can say that the bears will be taking over. However, I do not see that happening here. Stochastic oversold MACD. Now see, why did we discuss the MACD crossing over here? This is looking downwards. What has happened with the last crossover? We have seen a sharper dip. Now again, if it, or it has already crossed over and it is looking downwards, which is definitely a bearish sign and it can lead to bearishness for a while from here. Thus, for the day, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 2.760. When you see the lower price above 2.760, buy it. Expect 2.78, 2.8, 2.8485. And if these three levels are taken established, we can look forward to 2.88, 2.9, and beyond that is sky. Yes, it can rally. The sharper the drop calls for a sharper rise as well. While on the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2.735. When you see the higher prices below 2.735, initiate a sell. Expect 2.7 to 2.7 zone, which is going to remain a prime support, below which you can expect 2.6667 as the first target, 2.6 to 2.63 as the next. And if it drops below this, we can look forward to a major down move towards 2.55, 2.5 levels very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch, join the signals channel. Do press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.